your dump truck, sir?
It is. It is.
This thing's pretty nice.
Yeah. Yeah. It's been a talk here a little bit, so it's kind of what I was going for. Bring something a little different.
I was looking at your truck, and I saw on the side of it says C.S. Williams Trucking.
Yes.
Is that you?
That's me, Cody Williams. Yep.
And how old are you?
I'm 34.
34.
Yep.
So you'll have to forgive me in this video. I don't know a whole lot about Macks. I don't know a ton about dump trucks. I know that this one is super cool looking. I love the color. Browns are one of my favorites. I see you're out of Irwin, Virginia.
Ewing, yep.
Ewing.
Yep. Southwest Virginia, right where Cumberland Gap area
Yeah.
is. Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia. That's Southwest Virginia to me. So.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where I'm out of.
What year is this
It's
truck?
86.
Okay.
It's a RW633.
An RW633,
Yep.
1986 model.
Yep. It's got a Cummins 350 big cam in it. It's a 8 and 9 speed transmission, Hendrickson springs and MACK rear ends. So
This is pretty neat. So how long have you had this truck?
I've owned it since about September of last year. I bought it off a good friend of mine out of Tennessee, Austin Dalton, and he worked the truck for a year or so, and when he bought it and I seen it, and he was wanting to go a different route, so I decided I was going to buy it off of him, and I bought it, I think it was September of last year.
September last year.
Yeah.
And you were telling me earlier at the show, you painted this whole truck yourself.
Yes.
And I imagine you've done a lot more than just paint this truck, I think.
Yeah, when I bought the truck, it was in good shape when I bought it. It was white, and it was a tandem truck. I put the drop axle under it first because we have to have tri-axle around home, really.
Right.
And I wanted to change the color up a little bit, so that's when I decided to paint it. I painted my driveway. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. So.
What is this color called? Because
It's autumn shimmer. It's I was stuck between a brown or a dark green, and when I seen this one, it was.
I love it because the flake has got
yeah,
a bunch of different colors in it. I get where the name comes from.
Yes, yeah, it turned out good, and I don't know, I can't match this color because when I painted the truck, I thought 2 quarts of paint was going to be enough to paint the whole truck, because I was going to mix it 1 to 1, and I got the hood done, and it was I realized I wasn't going to have enough paint, so I went, and my paint guy, he had somebody new to come in and mix it, so when I poured it in the gallon, mixed it up and sprayed the cab, it was a totally different color.
Oh,
so
no.
yeah, it kind of screwed everything up. So I had enough to coat the hood 1 more time and clear it, and it is what it is. If I have to match it again, it's probably not going to happen.
It's probably not going to happen.
Yeah, so just better not wreck it. That's the thing. So.
I've noticed you've got a lot of new stuff on this thing. I mean, the lights, the cab lights on there. We were talking earlier. That visor on there is pretty slick looking, and that's a factory visor.
That's a factory visor, yeah. That's what originally came on the truck when I bought it. It had a drop visor, and I kind of wanted to put it back like that and do the glass watermelons and the LED lights on the hood. I mean, they look good. I'm still not decided if I want to go a different route there or not. But it all, everything turned out the way I wanted it and I had planned on. So
that's pretty cool. So. Tell me a little bit about this engine. I think, I don't know, can we open up the hood?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We can. Yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. It works 4 to 5 days a week every day. So
well, listen, it'll prove to everybody.
Yeah, so this will prove it. So
tell me a little bit about this.
It's a 855. It's a 350. I was under the impression when I bought the truck it was a 400. Then when I bought the truck, it was white smoking real bad. The cam was down in it, so I built the motor, and it's got I built it back in December. The truck's set from December to probably March, and then it's run every day since then. So it's a pretty fresh motor still.
Okay. So how did you know the white smoke's what gave you the whole cam thing?
Yeah, well, that's what the issue was. I was thinking maybe injectors. I replaced them. It didn't fix it. I pulled the fuel pump off of it, took it to the pump shop. They said there's nothing in there that can cause it to white smoke really. So I got the heads off of it, and I looked at the cylinders, and I said, it may need a kit put in. I'm here already. So I went ahead and I went to put the kit in it and looked down, and all the injector lobes on the cam was gone.
Oh.
And the pump guy told me that they had it turned wide open is one of the reasons that it went down. So
yeah.
But so it's 15% above stock right now. It's a little bit sluggish, but it does the job.
Yeah, you know, I mean, horsepower is fun, but sometimes you don't
reliability
get reliability out of it. And it gets horsepower's fun is also expensive.
Oh, it's very expensive. Yeah.
And so, what you're working this truck? Is this the only dump truck you have?
I have a 97 RD. That was actually my first truck. The 97 was, and I bought it back. I've only been in business for going on 2 years now. So
okay.
I bought this truck 6 months after I bought my first one and put it on the road, and it's been a battle ever since. But I'm still here. So, but I love this old stuff, and that's why I want to work it every day. I mean, it's not a new truck. It's hard to find drivers to drive them.
Yeah.
But I've got a few good drivers, and they don't complain too much.
Right.
So,
it's always neat. It's you know, the new trucks are nice. An old truck is a different feeling, and they're both fun in their own right, different ways.
Oh
for
yeah,
sure.
for sure. Yeah, it don't come with a big payment either.
Right.
So it's a lot better.
I mean, just starting out, I'd say it's a pretty good idea.
Yes, yep. So I painted the bed too, and I was actually meaning for it to be black, and it turned out like a dark gray.
Yeah.
So it turned out, it kind of matches a little bit.
I think the whole thing looks sharp. I like the stacks, the turnouts by the the top rack, and
I done all this. I finished the truck and took it to the Bristol Truck Show, and I remember it was Friday. I was putting the sideboards on it. Me and another boy was putting the sideboards on it on Friday at 9 o'clock. I went and entered the show. Hadn't even washed the truck, and it still looks the same as it did then. That was 2 months ago.
Yeah.
So it's hard to take care of these trucks and keep them. You know, I don't know if people realize, but you work this truck every day. It's filthy every day, in and out of rock quarries, and I'm hauling asphalt right now, so it does stay on the paved road, so it stays somewhat clean. But it's hard to keep one, together and clean, and it's just a lot of pride that you have to put in it. And
yep. Cody, this thing's pretty loud on the Jakes. I bet the neighbors love it.
I hope they do. Need to roll the windows down, that way you can hear it. But
it sounds awesome.
Yeah, it turned out good.
I mean, I see what you're saying about not having a ton of room and sitting straight up. I like how you tint the window up here. It kind of gives you the keeps the sun out of your eyes.
Yeah.
This dash is pretty neat. One thing I'll have to show when we get out, when I was getting in, it looked like on my door, there's is it a washer bottle?
Oh yeah, on the inside of that door, that's where your windshield washer, the fluid is.
It's like, didn't Bentley's have like what do you call it? An umbrella that goes in the door?
Yeah.
The Jakes sound great. Dollar General knows we're pulling in.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, just got out of this thing. We got back to the shop. This is that washer bottle I was telling you guys about. Like does that just pull off, I guess?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, it's probably got some dust in it. I don't ever recall putting any in it.
That's so wild. I opened up the door and I'm like, what in the world?
Yeah, the hose comes through right here.
And it's got that deal in there.
Huh. Yeah, it's different.
Totally different. It seemed like it'd been easier just to put it on the firewall.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd been much easier because I didn't know it was there, and I went to look for it one day and I was like, well, I guess it don't have one. So yeah. So I ended up, that's where it's at.
You know, this would be a lot of, you know, you go to like a oil change place or something.
Yeah.
You want to top off your washer fluid? Yeah, go right ahead. Watch them just scratch their head and walk around. Sir, you don't have a washer bottle. No, it's on there.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be sweet.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's what makes these old trucks pretty fun. There's so many things that are so different about it. You just got to kind of close it on.
Yeah, it's pretty tight. I put new rubber around it when I painted it, new felt in the windows and everything. So.
Well, hey, thanks for taking me for a ride.
Yeah, no problem.
That's a super cool truck.
Yeah, I'll get back down here and see you.
That is it for this video. Thank you for taking me for a ride in this thing
problem.
and showing me around. More than anything, it's cool. You're a total truck enthusiast, and the Mack. I mean, obviously you like cool, unique trucks, or else Butternut would have never been here.
Right.
And we're gonna do some more videos about the history on that truck, because this gentleman knows a lot more about it than I do.
Yeah, I'll have to. I've got some paperwork and stuff I'll dig up on it, some log sheets and stuff that come out of the truck when I had it. So
you've got original log sheets?
Yeah, I'll see if I can find them. And there was a whole cooler full of cassette tapes in there. You know.
Really?
Yeah, just like comedy cassette tapes and Hank Williams. I mean, could you imagine me driving that?
And listen to Hank Williams in a cassette deck up top?
Yes, that'd be sweet.
Man, that's gonna be cool. That video's be coming soon. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, and do all this stuff. Follow us on all our social media at Semi Casual Show. That way you can catch the next things on the old 359 there, and more cool videos like this one. Otherwise, hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.